Bye. Jay here. I know it's been a while since I've made a video. Long story short, went blind again for a little while. I'm up to about 80% now. I'm used to it. So, what I have today is, anybody that does Kickstarter will tell you this has happened to them before. You back something on Kickstarter, it ships late, you forget about it. You know, you get upset, you know, especially if it's an inexpensive Kickstarter backing. So I had backed a 3D printer, and if you can tell by the title down there, it's sort of a giveaway. The Cetus 3D printer on Kickstarter. Now, I've had two backing, one on Indiegogo, one on Kickstarter, that I backed and they failed and never shipped anything. This one, it was $199, but unlike a lot of the other 3D printers, you know, Kickstarters and stuff, they actually had printers on, they were in final production on the printers. It was not, give us the money and we'll invent the thing. It was, hey, we've got them, we need money, we can make them and sell them to you at this price point to get them out in the world, and then we're going to be selling them on our website for more money. A little bit different than a Kickstarter, I guess you'd say. I guess it's an early release, you know. So I backed it. It was like June, I think. Supposed to ship first part of November. That slid. Didn't worry about it because I've had yet to have anything really on Kickstarter ever ship on time. I think I had a poster once that showed up after a year. But so it was late getting to me. I was going to give it to somebody for Christmas, and I wound up buying a different one. So it wasn't a big deal. And then all of a sudden, out of the blue today, DHL texted my cell phone and said, hey, we're delivering your package from Flying J Pacific in Hong Kong. What? Who? Thought it was some RC parts that I'd ordered. Oh, just to let you know, I'll be doing videos. I've got some more RC videos. But thought it was some RC parts, and I looked and it wasn't. So I was like, what could it wait? There was something on Kickstarter. So I went and looked. Sure enough, it was my Cetus, I guess you'd say it's Cetus 3D printer. So now I'm going to do an unboxing. As you can see, it's not, I haven't unboxed it. It's still got the straps from the factory on it. And here's another thing. I'm gonna this is a little pissy section. How come they can pick this? DHL picked it up Wednesday in China, Hong Kong, and it was delivered today, Friday at lunchtime. You know, sometimes I can't get FedEx to get something to the next state in 3 days. So anyway, let's get to the unboxing because I know that's a little whiny. So, all right, let's see. Come through here, and I have watched some unboxings. There's a couple on YouTube right now. Literally, I think there's two unboxings. One's a guy in Germany. No, there's three. There's a guy in Australia, an American, and a German that all have posted unboxings. Address paper. Oh, come on, you can do it. You can do it. So, wrapped very well. All right. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Mr. Rackster, personally, it's a sealed envelope too. That's pretty cool. Pardon me. Let's see here. You are invited. We're inviting you to join our development on more printer add-ons and 3D printable contents. Sharing your unboxing video photo on hashtag MyFirstCetus on Instagram to get a chance to win a Cetus heated build plate. Sweet. So, and I guess we can do the specs real quick. So while I take this stuff out, so I'll put that there. Styrofoam, industry's finest. Let's see. What do I want to do first? I also purchased some extra filament. So here is Cetus light gray. Let's see. Here is my mecha frame. It's you can print parts to build whatever kind of mech you want. Here is the sample filament they send with the printer. I'll wedge this thing up. This is the box of all the stuff. Let's get to that in a second. Another roll of sample PLA. Okay. And then the printer itself. And most people just reach in here and pull it out. Ooh. Styrofoam. I'm a plastic guy at heart. You know, I run a plastic company. So, smells like 1900 cellular weight to me. Okay, let's see. Maybe 2100. Straight polyethylene. All right. And here, nothing in the box, is the printer itself. Power cord. I know, I'm going for the money shot first. I know. So here's the printer. Okay. Guess I can put this away for now. Here is the goodies. It's the other roll of filament. This one is another roll of light gray. Well, I had blue, but it doesn't matter. Now, pretty sure I ordered an extra printer, smooth printer top for the build platform. This one is the textured. It feels, yeah, okay. This has got that special new texture that you'll see everybody talking about for the Cetus. So you don't have to use glue or Kapton or paper tape or nothing. You just print directly to the aluminum. And then this should be, yeah, this is just smooth. I got a plan for this, but that's neither here nor there. Shh, I'm going to invent a heated table for it. I'm going to make my own, I guess. They got one coming out, but I'm going to make my own. So 2 build trays. Let's see. Oh, there's the laptop's power supply that the power cable plugs into. And a box within a box. This should be, yeah, you get, sorry, let's see, turn this back over. Dumped it out all in the box. Some trimmers. We call them dikes at the machine shop. There is the scraper. That's a nice one. It's better than the one I got with my hatch box. There is, this is the extruder itself. So, let's see. And this uses a switchable nozzle. It comes with 0.2, 0.3, and 0.4 millimeter nozzles. 0.4 is what most 99% of your 3D printers have. So to go down to a 0.2, you can print really fine, really slow, but really fine prints with it. So let me put that back in there. And I think I dumped this bag out because I'm an idiot. This is a very, very sharp pen. Ooh, boy, that's a long, mean looking pen. This is a 0.4 millimeter, or maybe more than that. Like guitar string, and this is used to clean your nozzle if you have a... You know what this? This looks like a Chinese acupuncture needle. And yeah, I dumped this bag everywhere. So, empty bag. Make sure it's empty. Yeah, you know, blank. Then it's got some things. You didn't see that. Some more angle. And what this is for is you put it together and it makes a filament roll holder. And that was added after the Kickstarter started, so it's like a bonus thing. No, that's not a crack pipe. This is a nozzle wrench. And I think it's pretty good. I like this. This is pretty cool. There's a couple of... I'd like this on some of my other printers. So I like that. Supposedly, this and a Phillips screwdriver is all you need to build or put it together. Here's some extra nozzles. Let's see. They're Peak and brass. Peak is polyether ether ketone, by the way. I know I sell it. There's definitely a 0.2. That is a 0.3. And it looks like an extra 0.4 nozzle. Let's see, what else? And then there's a USB cable, though this is wireless. So we'll get to that when I do the initial run, hey look at print stuff review. And then I'm not going to take all this out, but there's just a bunch of screws, which is what I dumped in when I screwed the bag up. So there's just a bunch of screws and some plastic cover caps for the ends of these extrusions when you put it together. So there is the unboxing of the Cetus 3D printer. Let's see. PLA only, non-heated bed, 7x7x7. It has internal memory but no SD card. It's wireless and hardwireable, but you can load and unplug it, so it's not a tethered 3D printer. It uses I just drew a freaking blank. Wow. Precision slide instead of roller bearings or IMMU 8 bearings. It uses actual slides, so precision slides. That's about it for the unboxing. So after this, made in Hong Kong, polyethylene. After this, we'll be able to put it together and do some setups and some prints. But I'm going to cut the unboxing video here because after that, it's not unboxing, it's setup. So here you go. Cetus printer, $199. I paid an extra, don't quote me, $40 to get 2 rolls of filament, which is about the going rate. I think I paid $9 for the mecha frame, something like that. There was a bunch of other stuff. They had a drone kit, and they had a puppet. See, there's the thing on it. So they had a bunch of stuff you could add on, and they have a extendable kit for this. So to go from 7-inch to 11-inch, they sell you a kit that extends this up. And I didn't get that either, because I've got, as you know, I've got printer over here, 3 over there. I've got 5 at work. So I really didn't need another big tall printer. So I needed something I could put on my desk and play with. So there you go. But so that's all I got. This is Jay. This is the initial unboxing of my new Cetus 3D or Cetus or whatever you want to say it 3D printer off Kickstarter. It was $199. I think they're going to sell them for $299 on the website. Cetus 3D printer. Search on the internet. And there you go. Have a good night. See you. Why are you still here? Go away.